The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Vietnamese pork pâté is essentially a baked pork meat loaf, what Vietnamese cooks know as chu qua when cinnamon takes the lead. The technique is French-influenced yet unmistakably Vietnamese. Lean pork is marinated in a heady blend of fish sauce, sugar, baking soda, and starch, then ground to a smooth paste with pork fat and warm cinnamon before being baked until a golden, crinkly crust forms on top. The result is a tender, springy loaf with a chewy, caramelized exterior and a deeply savory, lightly spiced interior. This is the same family of chew that fills a proper banh mi, sliced thin and tucked into a baguette alongside pickled carrot and daikon, cucumber, cilantro, and chili. At home, it is equally at home served simply with French bread and pickles, or as one dish among many alongside steamed rice. The long, slow marination is what gives the meat its characteristic bouncy texture. The baking soda tenderizes the pork, while the starch helps the paste bind and stay moist during the hour-long bake. A brief freezer chill before grinding makes the meat easier to process into a truly smooth paste, which is the secret to that professional, sliceable texture rather than a crumbly meatloaf. Main ingredients: lean pork leg or shoulder, thinly sliced, 1 1/2 pounds. Pork fat, poached for 10 minutes, drained and minced, 3 ounces. Ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon. Marinade: tapioca flour or cornstarch, 1 tablespoon. Fish sauce, 3 tablespoons. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Freshly ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. For serving: French bread sliced, as desired. Vietnamese pickles, pickled carrot and daikon chua, as desired. Steamed rice optional, as part of a full meal, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Mix the marinade. Combine the tapioca flour, fish sauce, sugar, baking soda, salt, and freshly ground black pepper in a large mixing bowl. Stir until the sugar and salt are fully dissolved and the starch is evenly dispersed, forming a smooth, amber-colored marinade. Step 2. Marinate the pork. Add the thinly sliced pork to the marinade. Using your hands, mix thoroughly for about 1 minute, massaging the meat until the marinade is completely absorbed and every slice is evenly coated. This hands-on kneading is what begins to develop the springy, sausage-like texture. Step 3. Chill and marinate. Cover the bowl with a cloth and refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours, or overnight if possible. The long, slow marination lets the baking soda tenderize the pork fibers and the fish sauce penetrate deeply, building the savory foundation of the pâté. Step 4. Brief freezer chill. After marinating, transfer the pork to the freezer for 15 minutes. This brief chill firms the meat, making it far easier to grind into a smooth, fine paste in the next step rather than a coarse, uneven one. Step 5. Prepare the pork fat. While the pork chills, poach the pork fat in gently simmering water for 10 minutes until softened. Drain well and mince finely. The fat is what keeps the lean pork moist and rich during a long bake, giving the pâté its luxurious mouthfeel. Cooking steps. Step 6. Preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a loaf pan with oil and set it ready. Step 7. Grind the pork with cinnamon. Transfer the chilled, marinated pork to a blender or food processor. Add the ground cinnamon. Grind to a smooth, fine paste. The texture should be glossy and uniform, not chunky. The cinnamon infuses the meat with its warm, aromatic signature that defines Chả Quế, 20 sklai. Step 8. Blend in the pork fat. Add the minced, poached pork fat to the ground pork paste. Pulse several times to distribute the fat evenly throughout the mixture without over-processing. The fat should be streaked through the paste, not fully emulsified, so it melts gently during baking and keeps the loaf succulent. Step 9. Shape the pâté. Transfer the ground pork mixture into the greased loaf pan. Using the back of a moistened spoon, press the mixture down firmly to eliminate air pockets and smooth the surface into an even, level top. A smooth, compact surface bakes into that signature golden, crinkly crust. Step 10. Bake. Bake in the preheated oven for about 1 hour until the pâté is cooked through and the top has formed a deep golden brown crust. Near the end of baking, you may carefully pierce the surface with a fork to allow trapped air to escape. This helps the crust settle evenly. Remove from the oven and set aside to cool. Step 11. Cool, slice, and serve. When the pâté is cool enough to handle, gently loosen the edges and remove it from the loaf pan. Cut into neat slices about 1/4 inch thick. Serve warm or at room temperature with crusty French bread and Vietnamese pickles, or as part of a meal with steamed rice and other dishes.